We're talking about going into part 3 with our PowerPoint. We're going to do a little bit more customization. We're going to create a theme, talk about different ways of exporting. So we've got this done. We're pretty happy with everything, okay? We've got the pictures here. We could look at press the F5 key and go through it. Got that. Not everything is perfect, but things look really good. And we're proud of it. This one here, I would change the font size in here. It's going out. And with the pictures here, we'd have to send those, make them a little bit smaller. They're here already. Little nits that we want to do here. So what it is, I decided I want to put a border around all the pages, or let's say the borderless pages like this here. Like with this one here, I want to make them both smaller. I hold the shift key, pull it in with the arrow key, so that looks good. I could pull that in just a little bit more. I'm using the arrow keys. Much easier when you've had a little bit too much coffee this morning. So we got that. Save it. Let's say I want a border going around the page, like a dark gold or green or whatever color here. So I'm going to go into the slide master. View. Slide master. I was on that slide. It's showing this one slide here. I like that because I only want to do it on that slide here. What I want to do, I'm just going to go into insert, and I'm going to go into shapes. So let's say I want rounded corners here, and I just click draw a shape. Okay, got that. That looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to say send to back. This graphic is still showing from the other one there. I need that in the front. Watch this. Sometimes I jury rig things here. I go into here. I click inside here, Control C to copy. Go into here, Control V, Velcro paste. It puts an exact copy of it in the same place. So I have that. So I might not like that. I'm going to do something here. I got that. That's a text box for the footer here. But if I want to get rid of this, right click inside here. You could add new slide layouts, duplicate layouts here. This is linked to the other one here. This gets a little bit too advanced here. But if I go into here, if I say insert layout, it just goes another slide like that. But it's got that thing in here. If I don't want it in here, I'd have to go up into here, delete it here, paste it on the ones that I want. But let's just keep this moving. You can decipher this later on your own. So I've got that in here. What I want to do here, this is kind of ugly at this point. What I'm going to do, I just want a nice border going around here. I'm going to delete this. I decide I want a rectangular one. Insert, shapes, go into here, drag something here, I want to get into here, and it's a little bit too high, but I want to customize this. Watch this. I click inside the numbers here. It's 12.59 here. I can move that there. That's okay. If I type in 7, so I've got that, and I can pull that into here. I want to talk about the borders, the fill, etc. Shape fill here. I'm going to say no fill. I want to change the borders here. Shape outline. I'm going to go into that dark color here. Shape outline here. Weight. I've got that there. It's on that one slide. It's kind of blocking out this Hudson Valley thing here. I'm not crazy about that. I just want to do a 25-minute video here. I'm going to close the master view here. So if I go up here, it's not on that, 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 it's not on that. If I want to go into here and fix that thing here, I go right into the text box here. You have to get the solid arrow. I pull it down, and then it has that line here. This is from one of the things when I added a picture here. And what I could do here, in this one case here, modify the font. And then I can pull it up here. Again, you have to know what you're doing. Not know what you're doing, but look at things for visual consistency. So if I have that in here, got it on there, the property. But watch this, if I change this layout here, I add a new slide, blank. It shows it in there. And if I just add a little shape or something in here, insert, you could do photo albums too in here, shapes, and let's just say I want to put a star in here. Just click, have it in there, change the color. I could add text to it. I could also go into effects here, bevel it. So let's just pretend that's our slide. So we're up to 11 slides at this point. What I want to do at this point here, I want to talk about creating a template or a design, I should say, theme. And I'm on design here. Office theme used by all slides goes here. Let's just keep this real. You go to File. I go to Save As. It says PowerPoint. I click inside here. And I want to find a theme, not a template. It's not macro enabled, it's a POT. That goes into the older versions. Do you see that? So what I want to do here, I want to find the correct theme. Doesn't show that here, but if you have a template, I'll do the template first, and I'm just going to call it tourism. Save. It's a pot X here. Goes into custom office templates here. Now if I want to do this as a theme, I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to click inside here, and I'm trying to find the theme. They're two different things. You're going to find out in a minute. Office theme. That's the theme there. And I'm just going to click on Save. Now watch this. I'm going to click on File. I'm going to click on New. What I want to do here, I'm going to click on Custom here. Document Themes. This is a theme here. Create. I'm going to add a new slide. I'm going to go into title and content. Hit the tab. Reduce the indent. Hit the tab key. So it has that in there. Now if I go into another new slide, watch this. I go into blank, it's got the logo there. Now I'm going to go into File. I'm going to click in New, and then I'm going to go into Custom. I'm going to go into Templates, Tourism. The template is actually all 11 pages. You could actually delete pages here and say add your caption with placeholders. Other thing too, we've got that set in here. Let's say we've done a slideshow here. I want to talk about what other things you can do here. If I go into slideshow, I could record it with narration, make it go in a continuous loop. I can hide a slide if I don't want to do it. I can present this online to other people with Microsoft email accounts. You've got that. Other thing you can also do when you record it, and if I do record this, I could do a file. I go into Save As. And what it is here, you can save it as other types of files. Or I could click on Export. And then you can create handouts. You could create a video. If you did this as an audio, it becomes an MP4, which you can upload to the internet. Very cool feature here. So I'm showing you different things here. So that's exporting, doing a lot of things with the program, I should say.